Hello everybody, this is Chris Danger. Today, not too sure what we're going to do, but we're going to clean this video is how to clean a tablet. But the thing, what oh yeah, you definitely can see those scrapes, those cracks. I stepped on them by accident, but still works. So, got some proper spray this time. Let's do this. Perfect. Good enough for me. Let that sit in for a couple seconds. Then use toilet paper or towel. Prefer toilet paper. Right. I'm just gonna clean the top of it. I don't want to clean anything else. I'm not too sure if it's charged up or the thing's dead, but look at that. Look at all that dirt that came off. Pretty filthy. But I'm usually a pretty clean person. I know, right? Christine, you're a clean person. Probably thinking to yourself, yeah, right. Right? Perfect. See if this bad boy will load up. Or it might be dead. Yep, it's dead. I think it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Sorry, guys. But that is, as a matter of fact, how to clean it. All you have to get is special spray right there. And then that's how you clean a tablet. My tablet came with a keyboard. Probably don't care really. Now it's a fish tablet, pretty big tablet. I don't mind it. It's pretty good, but alright, that's goodbye for now. This is Chris Danger, and you just watched Chris Danger how to clean a tablet. Alright, and this is one. Well, it's not 100% free because you have to buy that spray stuff. But if you don't have a lot of money, actually, before we go, I'll actually show you that way. Same way as the Xbox controller. Right, this is way 2 for cleaning a tablet. Use toilet paper if you don't have a lot of money, because that spray is like $10 a bottle. But toilet paper, all you need is running water and toilet paper. I like the controller almost, so I guess. What? No. My other video did pretty well. It got four views on it. But I'm thinking of redoing, showing off my WWE action figures, because I deleted my old videos, so you don't want to listen to me yammer, probably. Let that sit for a couple seconds. The water usually takes a little longer to sit in to clean it, but make sure you clean that well. Next up, sorry guys, is this towel here. You need a towel as well. Probably didn't let it sit long enough, but so good. I get a stand for this phone. And there you go. 100% free on that one. All you need to do, okay, I'll tell you the first one. All you need to do is that spray. Put that on there. That is, if you have that spray. I believe it's called, I can't remember what it's called, but But if you don't have that spray, that can have toilet paper, running water, and then a tablet to clean. And by the way, looks nice. On the other side, don't even have to worry about it. So like today's video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you want anything else cleaned. Alright, peace.